Turn me into strawberry elephant. Let's go.
Wait, no way, that's a strawberry elephant. Whatever, it's trash. I'll just sell it.
No.
Let's just sell this real quick. Bro, wait, it's running. Bro, it's literally running away. Wait, what? Where'd it go?
What? That was close. Let's try this new brain rot instead. Let's go.
I got this.
No. Take care of it.
No way, that's the new brain rot. Let's steal it.
Kick Nancy. This is a gift for being kind.